Hey folks, so we're back with a pile of padlocks, and I'm going to try to pick this no-named Chinese lock, with no branding, visible Chinese lock, to free it from the rest of them. I will try to include a link to my first video on this at the end of this video. So I'm using the homemade pick I've got, homemade low profile pick, and of course, homemade tension wrench. And the vast majority of my tension wrenches are homemade. I'm actually working on a blog where I cover making homemade tension wrenches. Okay, well that was a quick pick. Should hopefully get this up for Quick Pick Thursday. Thanks for watching, and now I gotta pick something else for today. See you in the next one, folks. Bye.